Good morning. It's coming up on the end of December 2024. Belated Merry Christmas to you. We're out here with the 18-foot black diamond. Just going to do some single post sniping and see how that works out. Definitely breezy, but we're going to start out with this little 32nd ounce white jig head. Nothing special about it, just a ball jig head. And then something that kind of looks like June bug, but it's a hand-tied hair jig with a gray tail and a sickle hook. Of course, we'll put a niblet on that hook. We did bring some actual live minnows in case the bite gets real tough. Really hadn't been using minnows very much, but this could be the day that we need them. And I definitely added about 2.5 feet to the handle of my net. It's extendable. Since we have this longer pole, it makes it a little bit easier. We'll see how it all plays out. Let's get to work. Definitely a decent eater. Yeah, that's a good one. Like another good eater. Definitely a good eater. How about that little guy? Almost 11.5. Excellent for the table. Go, buddy. Good eater. Solid fish. Yeah, decent eater. A good one. It's like 13 7/8, almost 14. Solid fish. See you later, buddy. Little guy. Just a nice little eater. Come on, buddy. Well, may not be as big as I thought he was. Sure was fun though. Yep, just hits 14. $163. Still a respectable fish. See you later, girl. Fighting good. That's a decent fish. Wow, heavy. How about that guy? Not bad. $14.5, just over 14.5. See what that does. Ooh, 196. Great fish. Definitely got a lot of stuff going on in that belly. Oh my goodness. Look at how wide those shoulders are. Pretty white crappie. Oh my goodness. There you go. Barely an eater. That's a decent eater. Oh yeah. 11 and a half. Trying to be 11 3/4. It's a good one. Guessed him for 11 and a half. Let's check. Oh my goodness. He's 11 and a half. How about that? He got a little cut on him. Shad would work. Good fish. Wow. Solid fish. Not a record breaker. Definitely solid fish. I don't think it's even 14, but sure was fun. Wow, threadfin shad on a lead head. Look at that. Another 13 3/4. Beautiful, healthy Ross Barnett crappie. It's a good one. There, buddy. Well, it's time to head to the house. We've had a good day out here. Caught a lot of fish and some nice ones. So it was very windy all day. It was a struggle to keep the bait on the fish. Threadfin shad was the color of choice for artificial bait, but to be honest with you, live minnows on just a lead head jig worked the best today. I'm whooped. Thanks for watching.